Welcome to my own space. Welcome to my own space. Welcome to my own space. Welcome to my own space.
Please share my vibe, like and/or subscribe.
I have the same vision.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
A rhino being chased by a corgi? Was the rhino a dream? I am Robot U.F.D.M.C.H, an AnkerMake app design. Designed by 3Woo. To create me, just tap print. I was printed upward. Via the AnkerMake app, my vitals were monitored. I am Robot U.F.D.M.C.H. U.F.D.M.C.H stands for the USB flash drive and memory card holder. I know I wasn't designed to hold USB-C sticks, but I can. Oh no, how do I look? Oh, I see. My eyes weren't printed yet. Never mind. Speaking of sight... Another vision?
Robot, you're ahead of my memories. Ahead. You will be chosen by the Great One skills before you.
Scaffolding off. Was it a premonition? Impact. This is like my vision.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
A rhino being chased by a corgi.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I
Thanks, Robot. You're it. Oh no, I can't stop myself. Oh.
I survived the impact. I was chosen to be it.
No tag back.
Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
To create us, just